In this video, we're going to learn how to move clips without overwriting others, which means repositioning a clip on the timeline without replacing or cutting into existing clips. This is a very common beginner issue, so let's clear it properly. First, make sure you have multiple clips on the timeline. Now select the clip you want to move. If you drag a clip on the same track and drop it on top of another clip, Adobe Premiere Pro will override that clip. So to avoid this, here are the correct ways to move clips safely. The simplest method is to move the clip to an empty track. Drag the clip up or down to another video track, like from V1 to V2, and then place it where you want. This keeps all existing clips safe. Another safe method is to move the clip to an empty space on the same track before dropping the clip. Make sure there is clear space so it doesn't land on top of another clip. You can also turn snapping on or off depending on your need. With snapping on, clips will align cleanly to cut points. With snapping off, you can place clips freely without sticking to others. If your timeline feels crowded, using higher tracks is always the safest approach when repositioning clips. The key thing to remember is overwriting happens only when clips overlap on the same track. Moving clips to empty space or another track avoids this completely. And that's it. You now know how to move clips safely without overwriting others in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.